Hey guys! Are you want to buy best timing lights? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best timing lights that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Innova Timing Light. If you keep looking for products like these, you might already be aware of the reputation of Innova as a brand. As for the 5568 Pro Digital Timing Light from Innova, we have chosen the first place since it is the most feature-rich product we came across. Let's talk about its build quality first. The outer housing of the tool is made from heavy-duty shock-proof ABS material, which makes it sturdy enough to survive any sort of rough usage. A molded storage case also comes with it to keep it safe when not in use. Speaking of its lead, it's almost 6 foot long and also detachable as well. Want to know about its features? It's surprising to know that it supports both conventional electronic systems as well as computer-controlled systems also. Moreover, it doesn't matter if you are working on a 2-stroke or a 4-stroke engine, it will perform perfectly and accurately up to 9,990 RPM. All the information like volts, dwell angle, etc. are displayed well on its backlit LCD screen, which makes this timing light super easy to use. Now our second product is Monster Timing Light. There are quite a lot of people out there who are essentially looking for a budget-friendly brand. Well, if you are one of them, try this timing light from OBDMONSTER. We are choosing to place this product in second position on this list as it is highly affordable and extremely easy to operate. This is a perfect tool to tune up and reset your car's ignition timing, regardless of 2-stroke or 4-stroke. It works with all gasoline engines with 12V ignition too. Speaking of its build quality, it provides confidence to the users as all the wires and clips are built extremely well. Since it accurately shows the fire and timing scales on the flywheel even at high RPMs, thus, you can adjust it properly in both idle and open throttle conditions. You'll also be able to tweak the advance angle with speed change, as this timing light effectively detects the vacuum advance angle control system and automotive knock suppression control system. Our third product is Performance Tool Timing Light. If you feel like connecting the power clips while using a timing light is a lot time-consuming, this self-powered timing light from Performance Tool will bring a smile to your face, putting this timing light in third position on this list since it offers quite a good value for your money, and since it is self-powered, you don't need to take much stress while using it. Despite being an affordable product, the overall construction of this timing light is quite well built and does not feel cheap at all. Since it's a self-powered timing light, there's no need to make any connections with the vehicle's battery, which makes things even more easier for you. However, you still need to install 2D batteries on your own as they are not included in the package. The best part is that it works amazingly on all gasoline engines, power equipment, motorcycles, snowmobiles, mowers, and even tractors. Now number 4, Actron Timing Light. Actron is a highly popular brand, well known to make a variety of products such as scan tools, electrical testing equipment, mechanical testers, and many more. Hence, buying a timing light from such a brand won't be a bad decision at all. Speaking of the CP7527 inductive timing light from Actron, it's super simple to use and adjust the initial timing on any 2-stroke engine. If you need help measuring the centrifugal advance or vacuum advance, it will come useful to you. The best part? You can use this timing light with conventional, electronic, DIS, 2-cycle, or computer-controlled systems without any hassle. Instead of a normal flashlight, it boasts a superior quality xenon light that makes it even more easier to see the markings on the flywheel. If we talk about its build quality, the pickups are made entirely of metal while the timing light has a rigid and durable ABS housing for protection. The light works on both 6V and 12V vehicles and comes with a 1-year warranty as well. And our last choice is Dorado's Timing Light. If you own a car repair garage, you might need an affordable, yet good quality timing light that could work on all kinds of engines. Well, Dorado's has just the right product for you. We personally like this timing light from Dorados for its highly confidence-inspiring build quality. Not only it works perfectly with 6V batteries, the 12V batteries are not an issue either. The clamping wires and plug wires are 4.54 feet long. Hence, it's a versatile tool to work on a variety of vehicles such as trucks, cars, motorcycles, etc. The pistol grip design of the timing light makes it quite easier for you to hold it steady and fix the ignition timings on any vehicle. It can effortlessly work with all gasoline engines, which makes it a great tool for commercial use. On the top, an engine ignition spark tester also comes along with the package. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.